With your vast experience and being an IITian, I would like to ask you about the reasons for the continuous downfall in the world rankings of the IITs, and what are the possible solutions to improve it?
See, IIT is an institution to provide knowledge to you. Now what you have, you are the product. Now you are also the consumer. You came to the IIT without any background. You buy this education by two ways. First of all, you studied hard to get into the entrance exam. Second thing, you are paying for whatever education you get. So now you are the ultimate customer of the IIT. Now when you look at the branding, branding is all dependent on how you make use of the technology. Right? When you look at developing some of these good products in the world, it will make you rich. So what will happen is, India will be called a place of entrepreneur, and where the India gets the technology from IITs. So in the world ranking, you look at Chinese, all these universities, they have made such a good infrastructure that people who have the ideas and talent, they can put to work by getting all the support from the universities, which is quite kind of missing right now in IITs. So what you have to look at is create that. So the rigid structure, rigid framework will not be able to mold into the right future. The right university system that is in United States is open university system. Meaning, and you say, okay, I am very good, I am very interested in these kind of areas. You want to dance, or you want to do gardening, then look at what kind of technologies can help improve your interest. Gardening, along with biotech technology, along with software, along with other kind of things, you can create fantastic products for the world. Same thing when you want to dance. Dance needs music, music needs rhythm. How can you generate all that rhythm with the help of software? Right? So the idea is, anything you want to do, you have to be the best in the world. And when people think that way, then of course world recognizes you.
So talking of rigidity and flexibility, we have a very rigid course system here. So how can that be changed gradually into flexible course system?
See, I'm wondering that IIT is in that kind of situation for providing that rigidity in the coursework and curriculum. On the other hand, the professors from here, they're visiting the United States and they're teaching there, for some time being, and they have a good interaction going on with the international community. The most important thing is that you as a customer, what do you want? When you go for shopping into a general store, you know what you want to buy. So when you look at from that angle, you basically decide which IIT you want to go, which provides you better molding for your career. Your time is very precious. So you should not be bought into something that you don't like. Now, if you are looking at just IIT giving you a career, I think the time has come now. There are so many IITs, there are so many engineering institutions. How will you basically differentiate from the rest of the world is up to you. So IITs can only give you a brand education or whatever education they have within their framework, but ultimately it is you who is going to benefit. Now when you talk about the flexibility, I think the IITs will be changing as per the customer requirement. That's your requirement. If your pay is high, if you get a good product, good service or good education from here, then only you will succeed. If you get a very rigid coursework there, industry out there will not be able to absorb you. You see what I'm saying? So you need to always think about the flexibility in your career, and you basically have to decide what you want to do. If you want to integrate technology with law, there's a big demand, big scope coming in. You have to think about all the legal systems in India. They will integrate with technology very soon. And there is no course offering there. So you decide what you want to do. You want to take law courses, you want to integrate with technology, you want to do some prototype, building some ideas. You want to start up a company in that area. Actually, they are looking forward to hear from you. Otherwise, you have to figure out what's the best place for you. Maybe a private college or private entrepreneurship or whatever it is. Ultimately, it's you who has to decide. So.
With so many opportunities available all over the world and the world getting closer and closer day by day, can the IIT alumni and the community help the student of IIT Roorkee and act as a bridge between the opportunities and the students?
See, alumni, think about it. When you are an alumni after 20 years, you want to come to IIT Roorkee, what can you offer? You are head of a group somewhere in the world. I mean, you are busy with so much of your work, and you want to become a bridge to. You want to help your alumni, your alma mater. But the question is that you, as alma mater, you have to decide. I mean, you as a student have to decide what help you want. Because if you think about it in the same way, like you are in our shoes, what kind of help would you like? And let me ask you one thing for sure. Never ask anybody for immediate monetary help, because nobody is going to help. I have seen in my life. Nobody helps monetarily if you ask them that this is what you need. You have to show them what you can do for them. Then only you will get some benefit. Right?
So, one final question. Having faced so many difficulties in life, with your experience, what would you suggest to the students of IIT Roorkee?
Always be prepared to work hard, be creative, be innovative, somehow differentiate yourself from the rest of the crowd, and be always willing to serve the customer, because customer is the king in the next, in the year of today or maybe tomorrow. India is changing, going towards a very rapid transition in the economy, and ultimately the economy is going to be driven by choices before the customer. Customer is the consumer, day-to-day consumer product. Even you are a customer, what you consume, pen you buy, cell phone you buy. So you will have plenty of choices to buy from. Whichever provides you the best features for the less money is going to be a choice. So think about yourself as a product and service going out to these customers. You will always have to give more and more to your customer for the less cost. You're going to be always successful.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening views and for guiding the students of IIT Roorkee.